Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Mint alternatives to track card spending, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Mint alternatives and track card spending, start by choosing a budgeting app that suits your needs. Research different alternatives to Mint, such as Inab, Personal Capital, or Good Budget. Once you've chosen an app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create your account by providing your email address and setting up a password. Follow the app's onboarding process, which often includes answering questions about your financial goals. Locate the Connect Accounts or Link a Bank option within the app. Select the credit or debit card you want to track from the list of available institutions. Enter your online banking credentials in the secure prompts provided by the app. Confirm any additional security measures your bank may require, such as two-factor authentication. After successfully logging in, the app will prompt you to choose which accounts to link. Select the specific accounts you want to track for spending. Review the permissions the app is requesting and authorize them if you agree. Wait for the app to sync with your bank account, which may take a few moments. Once connected, explore the app's features to categorize your spending. Set up alerts or notifications to help you stay on budget. Regularly check the app to monitor your spending patterns and make adjustments as needed. Consider using the app's reporting features to gain insights into your financial habits. Make it a routine to log in and review your budget weekly or monthly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.